Hey guys, I'm Shum Radio from Tech Insider India, and in my hand is the Noise Buds VS103 truly wireless earphones, and these come with a bunch of really nice features in a really low price point. So just starting off, we have full touch controls, we have an 18-hour playtime and HyperSync technology, which basically means that you can quickly connect to your smartphone without a lot of hassle. And finally, you get IPX5 waterproof certification as well. So let's quickly unbox this and check out the tech. And there you go. And finally, I think it opens this way. Okay, so you're greeted by Mr. Rishabh Pant, and then you get this getting started guide as well. And you also have your warranty right over here, and then a bunch of other paperwork that walks you through the specifications. And the most interesting thing is you get some stickers as well. And now the moment of truth. There we go. It's one of my favorite things about my job, and that is just this sheer pleasure of opening the plastic. Beautiful. I really like the build quality of these because they're so well built, like really well built. So there you go, our first look at the buds. Let's see if there's anything else. Not in this. What's there in this? So you get a bunch of ear tips, good stuff, and then finally a Type-C cable that charges this charging case right over here. Right, I'm going to keep all of this aside now and focus on these earphones. So I'm just going to put these inside again and see what happens. Nice. So you have a nice LED indicator that tells you whether the buds are charging or not, and if you have some charge left in the charging case. Now let's take these out of the box and talk about the intelligent touch controls at the back. So the best thing about these earphones is that you have these touch controls at the back that let you do all kinds of things, from changing tracks to pausing and playing tracks, accepting or declining calls, and even turn on the pairing mode of these earphones. And everything is really simplified when you don't have buttons to play with. Now I'm going to put these in my ear and tell you how they feel. They fit pretty snugly, and I really like the finish of these. These are matte textured, but very subtle matte texture. And no, there is literally no way that they're going to come off if you do any kind of, heavy movements with these. And that was it for this quick unboxing of the Noise Buds VS103. I really hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.